Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Now, quadratic equation first year class MCQ number 1 for today 29/8/2020. The value of m if the sum of the roots of 6z square minus 3mz plus 5 is equal to 0 is equal to the product of the roots. So here A is the option. This is minus 5 upon 3. B is the option. This is minus 3 upon 5. C is the option. 5 upon 3. D option 3 upon 5. So which one is the correct? So you know the value of m if sum of the roots equal to the product of roots. You know that sum of roots minus b upon a, product of roots c upon a. If they both are equal to each other, sum of roots product of roots अगर बराबर हैं तो what should be the value of m? So यहाँ minus b means minus of minus 3m upon a means upon 6 is equal to c means 5 upon a means 6. This will be 6 is cancelled. Minus into minus plus 3m is equal to 5. M should be equal to 5 upon 3. 5 upon 3. C is the correct option. Example. Find the equation. Find the equation whose roots are double the roots of y square minus qy plus p is equal to 0. Means this is the equation y square minus qy plus p is equal to 0. But we need such equation whose roots are double as compared to the roots of the given equation. Solution. Let the roots of the given equation are alpha comma beta. Therefore, the roots of the required equation will be 2 alpha comma 2 beta because of the double of the roots. So therefore, it implies that x square minus sum of the roots 2 alpha plus 2 beta x plus 2 alpha into 2 beta, product of roots is equal to 0. This is the equation when the roots are given. So here x square minus 2 is common, alpha plus beta x plus 2 to the 4 alpha beta is equal to 0. So here x square minus 2 sum of the roots minus b upon a means minus q upon 1 x plus 4 into product of c upon a, p upon 1 is equal to 0. So this will be x square minus into minus plus 2qx plus 4p is equal to 0. This is the equation whose roots are double the roots of. So q minus 2q. q increase 2 times, p and 4p. p increase 4 times. So this is the answer. Now if there's a MCQ, the equation whose roots are double the roots of x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0 is the equation whose roots are double the roots of x square 8x 16 is equal to 0 is A is option x square plus 16x plus 32 is equal to 0. B is the option x square plus 16x plus 64 is equal to 0. C is the option x square minus 16x minus 64 is equal to 0. D is the option x square plus 16x minus 64 is equal to 0. So when we make the double of the roots, then B increase 2 times, 2 at the 16 plus 16 x square plus 16. C is increase 4 times, 4 16 the 64 plus. So B is the correct option. Okay. Find the equation whose roots are find the equation whose roots are reciprocal of the roots of x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Solution. Let the roots of the given equations are alpha comma beta. Let the roots of the given equations are alpha comma beta. Therefore, the roots of the required equation are reciprocal. Therefore, the roots of the required equation are 1 upon alpha comma 1 upon beta. Therefore, the required equation बराबर x square minus sum of roots 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta x plus product of roots 1 upon alpha into 1 upon beta is equal to 0. So here x square minus alpha beta is the LCM, alpha plus beta x plus 1 upon alpha beta is equal to 0. So here alpha beta is the LCM, alpha beta x square minus alpha plus beta x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here alpha into beta, product of roots. Product of roots means 8 upon 1. So 8 upon 1 x square minus sum of the roots b upon a. B upon a means minus 6 upon 1. Minus into minus plus 1 is equal to 0. So here this will be 8x square minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0 is the required equation. So what happened? Constant term shifted to the x coefficient of x square shifted to the coefficient of constant term, and 6x remain same. So this is the MCQ. The equation whose roots are reciprocal, the roots of 2x square minus 7x plus 9 is equal to 0. The equation whose roots are reciprocal, the roots of is a 9x square plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0, b 9x square minus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0, c 9x square minus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0, d 9x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the these are the options. Now reciprocal means 9 will be shifted to the, instead of 2 will be shifted at the place of 9. So this will be 9x square minus 7x plus 2. 9x square minus 7x plus 2. C is the correct option. Okay. Now the problems involving quadratic equation. So how we can deal those problems which are expressed and can be solved by the help of the quadratic formula according to the question, which is example number 1. The sum of 6 times a certain positive integer and its square is 91. Find the integer. Solution. The sum of a 6 times a certain positive integer. Let the required integer is x. Condition is the sum of 6 times it's 6 times will be equal to 6x and its square will be x square. So what is the condition? The sum of the 6 times and the square. According to condition, sum x square plus 6x is equal to 91. So here it's a quadratic equation. X square plus 6x minus 91 is equal to 0. So this will be x square plus 13x minus 7x minus 91 is equal to 0. 13 7 the 91, 13 minus 7 6. So x is common, x plus 13 minus 7 is common, x plus 13 is equal to 0. X plus 13 common, x minus 7 is equal to 0. The value of x is equal to minus 13. The value of x is equal to 7. So sum of certain positive integers. So x is a positive, 7 is the correct. So therefore being okay. So how we can find out the answer for the MCQ? Suppose this is MCQ. If the sum of 6 times a certain positive integer and its square is 91, then required integer is a required integer is 5, b required integer is 6, c required integer is 4, d required integer is 7. Okay, so when we make the sum of number and its square, it's 6 times and its square. 5 is the number, is 6 times 6 5 the 30. Its square, 5 square 25. 25 and 30 55, but we need 91. This is a wrong. Okay, 6 is the number. 6 times of the 6 36. Square of the 6 also 36. 36 plus 36 sum 72, but we need 91. This is also wrong. 4, if the 4, the square of the 4 is 16. 6 times the 4 24. 24 and 16 40, but we need 91. This is also wrong. Okay, 7, 6 times the 7 42. Its square, 7 square 49. 49 and 42 is 91. We need 91. So D is the correct option. Example number 2 is the product of 3 greater than a certain negative integer and 12 less than 4 times the integer is equal to 64. Determine the integer. Determine the integer. Solution. Okay, same condition. Let the required integer is x. According to condition, the product of 3 greater than a certain negative integer. Suppose this is a number negative, 3 greater than plus 3, and its product with whom? Number 12 less than 4 times, means 4 times 4x minus 12. 12 less than 4 times the integer and x plus 3, the product of these. This will be 64. What is the integer? Means what should be the value of x? Okay. X into 4x, 4x square. X into minus 12, minus 12x. Plus 3 into 4x, plus 12x. Minus plus minus 3 12, 36. Equal to 64. Plus 12x minus 12x cancel. So 4x square is equal to 64 plus 36, means 4x square is equal to 100. 425. So x square is equal to 25. It implies that x is equal to plus minus 5. Product of 3 is certain negative integer. We need a negative integer. This. So required integer is x is equal to minus 5. So if this is a MCQ, so how you can say checking? Checking for MCQ. Suppose this is a minus 5. So after the applying of condition, sum of 3 greater than a number means minus 5 plus 3. This is a 3 greater than a certain negative number. And 12 less than means minus 5 4 times. Yes. 12 less than 4 times the integer. Means minus 5, 4 times 4 multiplied by 4 minus 12. If the result is 64, the answer is right. If result is not 64, the number is wrong. Okay. This is minus 2, minus 5 plus 3, minus 2. Minus 20, minus 12. This will be minus 2, minus 32. Minus into minus plus 232, the 64. Yes. Means 5 is the correct answer. The area of a square is 96 square centimeter. Compute the length. Compute the length of the diagonal of the square. So solution. Suppose this is a square. Each side of the square is equal to each other. Let each side of the square is x. This is x. This is x. Length of the diagonal. This is the diagonal D. D is the hypotenuse of this square. So hypotenuse is equal to diagonal is equal to base square plus perpendicular square means x square plus x square. So let each side of the square is x. So its diagonal is equal to d is equal to radical x square plus x square. It implies that diagonal is equal to 2x square or 2 radical x. Okay. Area A is equal to side into side x into x given as a 96. So x square is equal to 96. It implies that x is equal to plus minus radical 96. So x is equal to plus minus radical 16 into 6. If x is the length cannot be negative. So x is equal to 16/4 radical 6. Okay. So therefore diagonal we have to calculate the length of the diagonal. So diagonal is equal to radical 2x. Okay, this will be 2 radical 2 into x means 4 into radical 6. So diagonal is equal to 4 into 3 into radical 2 into radical 2 under radical 2 into 2. So diagonal is equal to pair of 2 for the 8 radical 3 units. Okay. MCQ is the sum of the square of a certain positive integer sum of a square of a certain positive integer and 6 times the integer. Six times the integer is 16. The integer is the required integer is A, it's 3, B, it's 4, C, it's 1, D, it's 2. Okay. MCQ next. The product of a certain negative number less 1 and 3 times the number. Three times the number less 2 is 14. The number is A is minus 4 upon 3. B is minus 4 upon 5. C is minus 3 by 4. D is minus 5 by 2. So these are two MCQs. Now the sum of the square of a certain positive integer and 6 times the integer is 60. This is 3. Sum of the square 3 3 the 9. 6 times 6 3 the 18. 18 and 9. 18 and 9 it is 27. But we need 16. This is wrong. 4. 6 times the 4 24. 4 square 16. 16 and 24 cannot be equal to 16. 1. 6 times of 1 is 6. 1 square 1. 6 and 1 7. So this is also wrong. If the required number is 2, its square is 4. Is 6 times 12. 12 4 जो को सम थींदो वो 16. Required number 16. 2 is the correct option. Okay. MCQ next is the product of a certain negative number less 1 means what is the number? The product minus 4 upon 3 less 1 means minus 1. Okay. And 3 times 3 into minus 4 upon 3 less 2 minus 2. If the result is 14, then number is correct. Okay. Here 3 cancel. Minus 4 minus 3 upon 3 into minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. 3 to the minus 6 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 into minus 2 minus plus 2 7 the 14. Required number is 14. So minus 4 upon 3 is the correct answer.